everybody. If you're wondering why I've uploaded all the videos early, it's because
the nursery's moving.
Yeah, we're moving. So to give you a heads, I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough one more time. But yeah, we're moving. So for the next couple months, I have uploaded the videos for the club. So hope you guys enjoy it. I'll try to get to see some updates if I get a chance. But really, home renovation will come first. And of course, we have another channel. She's actually the host now, and it's called
Living with Caroline.
She forgot her own channel already. Let me go walk through the nursery one more time. So just one last goodbye for our house. It's been a long time coming. So yeah, it's we've been cleaning for the last 2 months, trying to get everything ready. Nursery will be moved tomorrow. But yeah, that's, paring down was pretty tough. I'm not going to bring my entire hardscape. It's just too much to bring. So if you're ever thinking about moving, yeah, you want to kind of think about it. But that's what the current state of the nursery will look like. I'll give you some updates, how my trees are doing in the new move. I am moving to Upland, right next to Big Joe. We're not that far apart, actually. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So
Pass me the next ones.
this is what happens when you have club members helping you out, moving your whole nursery. Thank you, Lindsay. Couldn't do it without you and your truck. There's Gus, taking a day off to help me out. Can't do it without you guys.
Pleasure.
This is a wrap. Nursery's moved. Let's see, I'll let you guys see a sneak peek of the new house when I get back. There he goes. Couldn't do it without these guys. Cleaned out. And they got some free loot on the way out. Look at that.
Free
Woo!
loot. Free loot.
Well, we'll see you next time. So, if you like the update, talk to you guys later. I'll be in the new house, so I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what my ideas are. And actually, I'm gonna get Lindsay. Lindsay's a landscaper, so I'm gonna ask them for ideas of what's going on, what's the best situation to place, and then you're gonna see ground up, building the whole thing from foundation all the way to benches and getting the irrigation system set up, the whole kit and caboodle. So until next time, guys, thanks a lot. Like the channel, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.